Hey guys! So today, me and my brother and my mom are going to be making slime. It's my mom's first time in her life making slime.
Never done it before. I've touched it, but never done it.
She has never done it in her whole life. So we're gonna review some ingredients we have. So first off, we have containers. Next off, we have some glue, and we also have some clear glue. And
Forgot to let you guys know, only Shaden's here. Hi, Shaden.
Hi.
My other son, Chandre, he did not want to be here today. He doesn't feel like being here today. Okay.
And then next we have some shaving cream, and we saw this and we wanted to try it out. So it's magical liquid, and we also have some glitter. And then I couldn't find anything to like mix the slime with, so we're just gonna use this side of the brush, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna take off the lids because we're not gonna need the lids right now. Here's a bowl for you, and a bowl for you, and a bowl for me. All right. So are you gonna want clear glue or wet glue?
Let's do the clear one.
And what are you gonna use? The white glue or the clear glue? The white glue. Okay, there you go. And I'm gonna use the clear glue as well. Let's go ahead and open it. And let's pour as much as we want. There we go. Like that? You wanna make it like that?
Okay, so let's try a little bit, just because I've never done this before. So, let's try it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that.
And then we make
Okay, are you gonna want shaving cream?
What is the shaving cream for?
It makes the slime like really fluffy and it feels really nice.
Sure, why not?
Okay, here you go. Add as much as
Are we
you
gonna
want.
like shave ourselves with this?
No, it's for the slime.
Do we shake it?
No.
I have no idea. Just pour it?
Yeah, as much as you want.
Fluffy? Let's make it so fluffy.
It looks like white cream.
Oh,
Now remember, we don't need this. Smells really good.
not so much. I'm gonna use. Tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay, are you guys gonna put some glitter?
Yes, please.
Okay. Are you gonna put some glitter?
Yeah.
Okay, what color?
I want like the light. I want light green.
Light green.
The
And
light
I'm gonna put my favorite color.
pink.
So I'm gonna put this light blue. Alright. Ooh.
Okay, we just sprinkle it in there. Or
Yeah.
just sprinkle?
Yeah. As much as you want. So we want to
Let me
stop.
see.
There.
Okay.
Right.
This is a very nice pink color.
There you go.
Damn, that looks so nice.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Okay. So here are the brushes. You're gonna use this side, not this side, or else it's gonna stick.
Okay, this side.
Use this side.
Got
okay?
it. Got it.
Alright.
And look at yours.
Yeah, I don't want to put that much things. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's start mixing.
It feels like
It feels like fluffy, like fluffy.
It feels like when you're like Like batiendo un huevo. How do you say that? Like when you go like this, cooking.
I'm starting to look like slime.
It looks like cotton candy.
Damn, yours is gonna be really fluffy.
Damn. Look, mine is like medium.
I'm gonna add another color to mine. I think I'm gonna add
like
gold.
It's not ready yet.
No, not ready.
I want to add another color.
If you guys want to add paint, we can. You want another color?
Yeah,
What other color?
like dark blue.
Dark blue?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
I know there's gonna be glitter all over the table.
Oh, look at mine.
Oh wow!
Let me see. Nice. Okay, so I think I did
Look,
it
you
wrong.
can't even see a single piece of green. Look.
Yeah, you can see some green on the side.
I know.
Okay, you guys wanna make it into slime now, like actual slime?
I'm not
Oh, it's not
done.
supposed to be slime yet?
No,
we
because
have
you're
to
just
add
adding the glue.
Oh. What else do we
But
have?
I'm not done mixing it.
Okay, now let's pour this magical liquid.
How much did we pour?
I'm gonna try to see how much.
Like that much.
Like 5 drops?
Let's see if it's gonna work.
And once again, this is Elmer's Magical Liquid. Replaces baking soda and contact solution. Oh, it says washable, safe, non-toxic.
Gonna add a little bit more.
This is gonna be so fluffy.
Should I keep mixing?
My mom's is gonna be so fluffy.
I want some mash.
Yeah, we're gonna see how much we're gonna add first. Because we don't want to overactivate our slime.
How do you activate a slime?
Overactivate?
I accidentally got some on my fingers.
It's alright. Overactivate is when you put a whole bunch of activator. It's gonna be all stringy and not that good. Woo!
I think I'm done mixing
keep
it.
mixing, keep mixing.
Okay.
Is that enough mixing?
I don't know.
Damn!
Okay. Woo! Get a little bit more there, so it won't be that sticky. Just the brush.
Should I start pouring the other?
I think so. I think yours is mixed well.
So how much should I put?
Put like 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
Now just mix it.
Yeah.
I think that's enough. What? Just put the...
Yeah,
Little.
here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now mix it. Let's put one more drop for me. So when it starts like unsticking to the sides, that's when you guys want to start using your hands. But it might get a little bit messy.
Look!
It just depends. Woo!
Okay, so I think I did mine wrong.
You just have to keep mixing. Or you can add more glue.
Glue?
Yeah. It depends.
Or should I add more of the activator stuff?
It's really hard to mix.
I think I did it wrong.
Just in mind, guys. This is my mom's first time. Here, you could. Let me see.
I give up. I don't do this.
You added way too much shaving cream. You can try to fix mine. Mine's already good, but it's a little sticky.
It has like a...
Oh my god. You wanna go get some napkins?
Is that enough mixing? Is it time to touch it?
Hold on, can you go get some napkins, please?
Is it time to touch it?
Let me go get some napkins.
Because I don't know what my mom is doing.
It's so fluffy.
How about we add more of that stuff right there?
Magic stuff. Let me see yours. Ooh, look at Shaden.
Good job, Shaden.
I'm gonna add a couple more drops. Just like that.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Yeah.
And I never made slime.
You
That's
have
like
seen me make slime.
It sticks a lot.
It does. I think I need to add more magic stuff.
Yeah, I don't like this stickiness.
Let's look at Shaden's.
Nice job.
I want to feel it.
I know, it's a little sticky.
I thought it was going to be like, no, not sticky.
Here, let me try to do something so it won't be sticky to my hands.
What are napkins?
Right here.
There's only one napkin.
You want to clean your hands?
No.
Ooh, look at Shaden's.
I kind of want to feel mine.
I know, be one.
No, I think that's the one I did. I think this is the one that Shaden did.
No.
I think so.
Damn. See, look at how fluffy this is. That's when you add the shaving cream. So jiggly.
Okay, so I'm going to try mine one more time.
It is already forming.
Oh, okay. Let me just see.
So that's a good thing.
Why did you put it on the table?
There. It's alright. There. Oh my god, there's so much glitter.
Damn, it's so sticky.
Don't play with it on the table because
Yeah.
it's really sticky. Here,
I need
put
that.
some on this. Okay, now just go like this. Okay, now play with the slime.
Wait.
No, just play with it. There. Go. No.
I can't.
Don't rub it really. Don't like rub it till it's like gone. Let me see. Rub it, but let some water still be there. There, just go like this. There, that's it. There, now play with it. See?
Almost.
Add a little bit more. There, that should be good. It's in my hand. Let's rub it.
You stick a lot to my hands. It kind of feels like
Cotton
Like-
candy.
cotton candy, but when you like put a marshmallow on the fire and it sticks on you.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
Look.
Woo! This one's really nice. What if I make a cotton candy slime?
How do you make a cotton candy slime?
Without any shaving cream.
I think it
That'll be
might
nice.
be ready.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Oh my god, I have a lot of I have a lot of slime in my hand. I need a napkin. Please.
Here, you keep this one. Here. You go. Okay, let me pour some in my hands. Just like that.
It might
That's
be
yours?
ready.
Now?
No, this is mommy's. Alright, let me just play with this a little bit. Can you get some of the magic stuff and put some in here, please? Woo!
Really good. It's sticking to you, Shaded?
Yeah. But I like my slime.
Yeah, add a little bit more.
This is so much fun, and how come Andre doesn't want to make the slime video? I don't even know
He's actually, Chandra's playing outside.
why. I know.
He prefers to be outside.
Andre should have played out. Make the
I got
slime
stuck to my slime.
video. Oopsies. Oopsie daisy.
My mom's is super
Let me
fluffy.
see.
You might add some of that to your hands so it will not stick.
Mine is super sticky.
Mine is not that sticky because I did
Yeah,
not
it feels
add.
like marshmallow.
And you can actually make marshmallow slime
How?
by using, I think it's.
Oh!
Oh!
I made a bubble.
This is so sticky.
I know.
Mine is not
look how
that
many
sticky.
slime I have in my hands. Look.
I'm gonna add some of my mom's slime into mine. There.
I think it's gonna get mixed up. And it's not gonna work.
This is like, it brings me back to when I was like in first grade. You know, when the teacher tells you, do this, we're gonna do this.
It feels like clay.
Mine's really good. I really like mine.
I really like mine. So I didn't put too much shaving cream like mommy.
Like mommy.
I think that's the trick.
accidentally did this.
Oh my god. Alright, there.
It's kind of like not sticking to my hands anymore. I think you just have to like really like play with it, I guess.
I know. That's what I'm trying to do.
Alright.
I can't make a bubble anymore.
So mine.
Sorry, my son's actually here. Chandra.
So my slime is actually turning fluffy because of my mom's slime. So I'm mixing it in because I didn't want to waste all of this.
First time I need to make a flat and I can do a bubble like this. So close.
So yeah, guys, make sure you do
Play-Doh.
not use a whole bunch of shaving cream.
I think I prefer Play-Doh.
Play-Doh, it dries out really fast.
I know.
But I think, you know, I grew up with Play-Doh, so I won't change Play-Doh. I like the slime, but
So jiggly.
Play-Doh.
Ow, my legs.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ah! Let me spread it out. Add some of my mom's slime.
Look.
Okay, let me add more of mine.
Mine
Or let
is
me
so
just put
nice.
this in here.
Like so nice.
Oh my god!
Okay,
Mine's
how about
got
we just get the
really
whole thing?
fluffy.
That looks like cotton candy. It looks like cotton candy.
You might want to
Oh
make
my
a
God.
small one and then add it in. Maybe that would work.
I made a bubble.
This is
Oh!
disgusting.
Oh, look.
Oh, nice.
I know, I need a napkin.
So this was my slime. I obviously mixed my mom's slime with mine, but it turned out to be really fluffy, and I really like it. Let me try to help my mom here. I'm gonna need some white glue.
And I need the napkin.
I think the trick is just to keep playing with it.
That is one trick. And another trick is not to use so much shaving cream.
Like my mom.
Okay, cool. So I think it like came down. Vamos a hacer unas pupusas.
I like to make it really flat.
¿Quién quiere una pupusa?
I want a pupusa. Imagine mom and the widow. Mom and the widow.
Okay, so I think I got it.
Like,
It's not really sticking to my hand.
I want a pupusa.
Here,
I got
like
it.
this.
There you go.
Like this little bit there.
I have a lot of glitter in my hands.
So this is mine. Mine turned out really nice. I really like it. Or should I add more shaving cream?
I want to add more shaving cream.
You want to add more?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start all over again. So let's pour some glue.
You're gonna make another slime?
Yeah, to make it fluffy.
Yeah.
You want to make yours
Okay, so I think
fluffy?
I know why the kids like this stuff.
Why?
It's like stretchy and
Oh wow, you really fixed yours.
like you could really play with it and it feels kind of nice.
I'm gonna make it really fluffy. Damn,
Oh
that's
my
a lot.
god.
Look at mine.
Here, mix yours.
Preparando la masa. La masa.
It's time
Okay,
to
let
add
me see
that.
how long it stretches out.
Damn. Oh, look at mine.
I know it mixes.
See, it worked.
Wow.
That's how stretchy it is.
And And it doesn't really stick to my hands
I
anymore.
know. You really fixed it.
Now they're coming inside.
Alright, I added more slime.
Ah!
Oh my god, it's really fluffy.
Look at mine. I want to add glitter.
Glitter?
Add glitter to yours.
I'm
Oh,
gonna,
careful, careful, it's gonna stick to your shirt.
I'm gonna add some with some gold. Some gold. Wait a minute. Is it this way? How do you supposed to use the glitter?
Oh, you unscrew it.
Like this?
Hold on.
Like this?
Give me 1 second. No. Like this. There. Tell me when to stop.
Yeah, that's enough. Let's mix this.
Right.
Ah!
Mix it.
Mix it. How do I mixing it? Ooh.
So this is so easy. This is like, what, 2 ingredients? 3? It's just glue, the shaving cream.
That's not shaving cream.
Is that the shaving cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the shaving cream.
I'm gonna add some black glitter
So
too.
it's just, there's 3 items. And
It's
then-
actually just 2 if you just want to mix clear glue or white glue with glitter.
Oh, yeah, that's enough.
And then just glitter, you know, if you want some. And
Oh wait,
you
that's not
can
right.
get
Where's mine?
slime.
And fluffy slime.
Oh, that.
Oh!
I think I accidentally put too much glitter on that.
I think you did. Oh, that actually looks like pretty cool.
Okay, so I got an idea. What if we put all the slimes together?
Oh!
But I don't want to. I don't want to.
And see how much it becomes.
I don't want to.
Alright,
No?
we're gonna mix this one. But you could keep that one. Yeah? Look at mine. Mine's really
Yeah.
nice.
I'm gonna keep this one, but you can mix this one.
Okay, let's mix that one then.
Let's hear
Mix
the
it
bubbles.
here.
I'm gonna make a bubble with this one first.
Oh, the popping noise. Okay, ready? We're gonna mix this one. Okay, let's mix it up. So this is my mom's slime. And then this is my slime. Ooh. And this is my brother's slime.
Put
Alright.
them together.
Hold on, I'm gonna keep a little bit of mine. Alright. Brothers.
So Chandra's here. Yay, Chandra!
Yay!
Hi, Chandra. Say hi to everyone.
Whoa.
Did you see the slime that we're making?
You wanna make one?
We should show
Really
the
quick?
baby.
Alright. You can feel that slime. Look at my
this one.
hand.
That's yours? Is that yours?
Which one?
This is yours.
That one? That's all yours.
This is all of them mixed together.
Can I grab it? Can I grab
Oh
it?
yeah, it still fits.
Can I grab it?
You want to feel it?
Let me see. Let me help you out here. It's ready.
It's gonna stick to your hands.
And then I don't want my
Alrighty guys, so this is my brother's. He made
What
one.
happened to your hands?
You see? Mine's like
What happened
really
to your
nice.
hands?
What stick.
Let me make another one, but let me make it clear.
What happened, Shandray?
Ooh, look. You have to get it off?
No, you're gonna stay like that.
I have to wash my hair?
You're gonna go to sleep like that. It's not gonna come off anymore.
I really like the sound of mix.
You're not
See?
going to soccer game like this.
Oh, it's
No, you're gonna
so,
stay like that.
so fluffy.
Look at mine. Mine is so sticky.
So jiggly.
You're staying like that, Shandray. Okay, too bad. You're gonna stay like that. Doesn't come off.
Mine is so sticky.
It doesn't come off.
Mine is so sticky. You have some in your hand? David? Yeah. Will never come off. I'm gonna just keep this thing. No! Even more sticky. No! Oh, look!
Ooh, careful.
When I see some blue on it, I see some blue on it.
Where?
Like right there.
See, it's coming
Yeah.
out.
Look, my hand is lying. My hand is lying. That's to get it off?
Yeah. See, it came off.
I want to make my own one. Wait, I forgot to put that on my hands. I want to make my own one.
You wanna make your own one?
You can make your own one.
You can have this one. You can have this one.
I want to make my own
You can
one.
have this one.
No, that one's too stick. What is stick? I need another napkin.
Here,
Okay,
go get
get
your
it off.
napkin. And I have made a clear one, but it doesn't look that clear. Let me show you guys.
What happened to your hand?
It's so sticky.
Here you
Can I
go.
make my
I'm gonna
own
put it right there.
Yes. Get the other container.
Here you go. You want white glue or clear glue?
I want red.
You want red? Glitter?
So you want to make it white and then put red glitter?
I just think I want red and golden.
Red and golden? But do you want clear glue or do you want white glue? Anyways, you want shaving cream?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use white glue.
So the shaving cream is. Did you use?
No.
Did you use?
It just makes it really fluffy like this.
Did you make?
It's really big.
Did you make yours clear without any shaving cream?
Yeah, this is clear without any shaving cream. It looks white, but the bubbles are going to set. And it's going to look really clear.
Let's do
There's
the
a little bit of glitter because I have glitter on my hands.
make.
Look, the bubble's coming out. Oh, it popped.
Okay, so let's get
Let's
the...
do the white make. Move everything. I'm gonna do a
White?
bubble.
Oh.
Just white, and then you're gonna get the
Ready?
red glitter. You want the red glitter?
Yeah. Oh, dang! It's a made of wool. A little tiny piece.
Okay. You want shaving cream?
Yep.
Okay.
I think
You're gonna have to tell me when to stop, okay? Go.
stop.
Okay. Okay, what color do you want for your glitter?
The same. That I said.
Red?
Red.
And
Yeah.
gold, I think.
That's pink. Yeah.
That's just red. Tell me when to stop.
Or is it pink?
That's red.
I don't think that's enough because my brother wants a whole bunch of glitter. Okay, where's gold?
You want red and gold?
Yeah.
And a little bit of gold.
Whoa!
Okay, you're gonna mix it, okay?
Okay, how?
Here's another brush. Just stir it.
Go,
this?
go like this.
Like this?
Yeah, mix it. There.
I'm trying
Get it
to
with
get it
your
off
other
my
hand?
hands.
Get it with your other hand.
Here.
This one.
There,
mix it.
a whole bunch of things.
Damn, I can't even wash my hands anymore. I
Mix
want to
it,
make
mix it,
another
mix it,
one
mix it.
without any shaving cream.
Another one?
Without any shaving cream, like yours.
This is just clear.
Look at mine.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
Mix it,
I want yours. I want like
Okay,
yours.
are we done with this one?
Do I add it now?
Hold on. So what are you gonna do with this one?
Mix it with this one.
You're gonna mix it?
Yeah.
It's
Ready?
gonna be a big one.
Whoa. Look.
Sticky.
No?
No?
Look.
Oh.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Yours is sticky. That is yours. Look, it looks like cotton candy.
Okay, let's put it in.
I was about to look at it.
To lick it? No. You don't lick it.
I think that's the.
Okay, we have one slime done. What are we
This
gonna
is
name
the
this
other
slime?
one?
I want the giant slime.
Yeah, the giant slime.
Giant slime.
We have this one too.
That's the one I made. It's just a clear one, but it doesn't look clear
I
with the
want-
bubbles you're
Put
gonna
the
set.
I want more shaving cream. I want that one like yours.
All right, hold on.
So
This is gonna be the clear slime.
I want
Bring the other one.
I want more shaving cream.
We're
Okay, so we
shaving.
got these two. And we're gonna do the last one.
There, that's it. That's a whole bunch.
And
And then that's what were you
Yeah.
gonna name that one? That one has red glitter and gold flakes.
yeah.
Glitter. Gold
I
glitter.
want whatever it's called. Blue and red.
Let's finish this one first. And then we can add more.
Okay, what are you gonna put?
That's enough?
You're gonna put white glitter?
That's enough? I want to put my own glitter.
You're gonna use clear?
Yeah.
Are you gonna use shaving cream?
No. Come on. Okay. Actually, I am. Gonna put.
Okay, so. Alrighty guys, so we made 2 slimes, including the one that my brother made, but he's not finished
Quite
with it.
done.
So, that's going to be it. So Mom, what do you think about the slime?
I like it. I like it. It's sticky. It's easy to make. Easy for your kids to make at home. So, I like it. Thumbs up. I like it.
Okay, rate it 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. I think like an 8.
Okay, pretty good.
Good. Wouldn't do that. Alrighty.
Alrighty guys, so like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And that's it. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next